There's Starry Grad. Guessing that's the castle. Oh, there's the beach. Wow. From Montenegro, we stayed here in a farm stay last night. Here's the window. No animals right now, but if you pay €5, they make you a homemade breakfast with everything from the farm. Ooh. Oh, I don't even know what that is, but it looks good. Now, here's our car. So all of this stuff is made here on the farm. The bread and the meat. And I got confirmation that that is French toast. I'll take a piece of that. French toast. Everything else from the farm. Just had a piece of that cheese. It's real good. It's like a spicy pepper jack or something like that.
Is this milk?
No.
Or cream?
I think it's milk. Coffee. The meat's delicious.
There's so much food here.
I know. So much for us too for €5. I'm just €5 a person. Morning, everybody, from I believe it's Koster-A, Montenegro. This morning we woke up in just outside of Dermader in Montenegro, and we've driven south to the rest of the country, to the coast. So we just arrived here at the coast. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Our wafer cookies can be difficult to eat sometimes. And here is our view as we've arrived to the coast. So we came down, there's a road right on that mountain, and we just came all the way down across there into these towns, and then we're gonna follow along the coast here for the next little bit. Like all the water out this way, it is like absolutely crystal clear. So we just stopped to share that with you. We're gonna kind of hop along the coast here for the next 45 minutes or so. See what we see. Maybe make a stop at a beach if we see one we want to get in. We don't know. We're just freewheeling it right now and enjoying the views. Doesn't get much better than this. Eating your wafer cookies and enjoying the views of the water in the mountains.
The last of my discount wafer cookies.
Oh man, there's a little mussel down there. I'll take one. So you probably just saw a bunch of the views of the way down. Everything we saw in Montenegro was as advertised. It's mountains. It is all mountains. The entire country, from Dermitor, well, I guess it's south, east or west, southwest. From Dermitor all the way here is nothing but mountains. There was like one area that was kind of like plains-like, but it was surrounded by mountains, and then you're back in mountains again. So that's actually what Montenegro means. It's the Black Mountains. Oh yeah. Is that a jellyfish?
That's what I thought.
Oh yeah, I think it's a jellyfish. Right about there is a jellyfish. It's pretty big too.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah, that's a jellyfish. I can see him moving. I don't know if you can see him on there, but somewhere right there. Oh man. So anyway, Montenegro means the Black Mountains, and yeah, as far as I can tell, the whole country is just mountains. It's pretty amazing. So if you're looking for mountains, Montenegro is the place to go. Definitely. So cut to more shots of the coast and whatever we end up doing next. So we were driving along the beach, along the coast, and we found an area. It's got like a small old town. Looks like a couple of castles. So we decided to find a place to park and stop and walk around for like an hour. So we just went and paid for parking. So we've got 2 hours of parking. Ooh, kitty cat. And And then, so we're just gonna walk around this area for like an hour or whatever, and see what we see. We know there's at least a couple castles, but we don't know what else. We're just freewheeling it today. Okay, we took a bit of a detour on our walk through this small town to look for a water closet. And if you've been to Europe or you're from Europe, you know how easy it is to find a water closet in a place you've never been to before. So kind of walked around for like 20 minutes and we found a water closet and we're good now. So we've got like an hour and a half now to walk around. We're heading down to the beach here. I think there's a harbor, so just kind of see what's on the harbor. I think there might be some beaches further down. I don't know that we'll get to them or not, And then there's a couple castles. And there's a view. So we'll get to that. It's a cool little town though.
It's swimming pool.
Yeah, it's like an Olympic swimming pool or something. Oh yeah. Those are the national teams that have been here. So a lot of the national teams have trained here. Founded in 1922. Huh. Herceg Novi, I think that's the town name. Cool little port town. Lots of nice restaurants. This is what happens when you just scan through Google and look for something interesting. You find something interesting. Sometimes you find a dud or two, but this one looks pretty good. There's Starry Grad. Guessing that's the castle. Oh, there's the beach. Wow. It's the only thing about the beaches here is it's all stony beaches, which is nice. I've never been to a stony beach before this trip, and it's nice because you don't get sand everywhere. But bad in that it hurts your feet. Not very comfortable. Yeah. Starry Grad, Old Town. A little map. Does it say where we are? I don't think so. So the plan is we're gonna walk back up here through the Old Town area, try to see this castle here, and I'll probably hit it so that we have time to see some things tonight in Dubrovnik. So we're still about an hour away. Lots of stairs. Almost done, right?
Yeah, sure. Get used to it because apparently there's a lot of stairs to our Airbnb tonight.
Oh, yay. Yeah, I think Dubrovnik's pretty hilly. Final send off in the Adriatic. Lots of steps, hills, the best of things.
Cats.
Where? Hi. Hey, kitty cat. Yeah. So this is the Old Town area. I believe inside the castle walls. So let's see what it's like in here. Oh wow. from the music school in there. Oh, look at that, it's an old anchor. A couple other ones. Oh wow, lots of old anchors. I don't know how to get in there and look, but let's see if you can get down there at all. Here they come from down that way. Oh well. That's a big anchor. That'll stop a big boat. Huh. St. Jerome Church. Huh. Well, you ready to head back up?
Pretty. Especially with the music playing.
Yeah. A little fun bonus to have the music school right there playing something.
Yeah.
So that's a quick little rundown of Herceg Novi in Montenegro. Just a random town. We found it on Google Maps on our way into Dubrovnik, where we thought we'd stop for a lunch break. You know, maybe get some ice cream or a slushie or whatever. Just a break after the morning drive. And then we're gonna head to Dubrovnik now. We're gonna drop off our rental car at the airport and then get a ride into downtown, where we're staying in the old town area right down there, right in town. So I guess it's gonna be really hilly. And we're gonna have our bags, so that'll be fun. But should be a really cool town to see. We just don't have a ton of time there, but we'll save it for another one. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below. Comment if you have any comments or questions, or even information I didn't even share with you about this. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now so you can continue to watch our weird adventures. Until then, we'll see you later.